Good morning, beautiful friends. Welcome back to the garden. I am showing you guys this side of this garden, guys. It is so beautiful. I finally get the grass together. Oh my God, look at how cute is this. And I got, of course, flowers are going on this side. I need to trim them. And I have this circle thing. I was supposed to fix it, but that never happened. I guess it is what it is because I'm doing so many things, guys. Working and taking care of 3 gardenings. Yes, I have 3 garden I'm taking care of. It's like, it's big and I work a lot. And that's what I got here. But so far, I really like everything. And then those nice, beautiful flowers here. Forgot the names always. And they're supposed to have some bougainvillea on them. I think the cold killed all of those bougainvillea, and those blue flowers are the one who got left. And yes, like I said, supposed to work in that. Never happened. I got some bags over here. I need to bring them on the back. And this rose tree is taken over, which is in a beautiful way. So I'm not complaining. But yes, that's this side over here. This fountain, never have time to fix them over there. And you can hear my little parakeet right here. One of them lay 1 egg, and then I guess that egg's gonna turn out to be a baby. I hope so. And every time when I always want to purchase more because those bird guys, I barely did anything for them, and they're still alive. And I just feed them, and for some reason they're still alive. Yeah, that's what's going on over here, guys, on this side. That's the update. Used to have a lot of beautiful flowers on this side, but I guess they die. But you know what? It is what it is. Thank you, friends, for watching. Have a blessed day.